Hi, I'm Luan. Sure, I could have just posted a pic of myself and said, my name is Luan, I'm French, I'm 20, and I'm looking to do an experience at the other end of the world. But how about getting to know me a little better? So let's start again. In life, I like the simple things: my family, my friends, sport, cook, and travel. Speaking of travel, let me tell you a little more. When I was 17, my parents told me that we were going to Europe tour for a year. My daily routine looked like this: some school to prepare for my back away and just enjoying travel. So you can imagine that moving to Paris for my studies was a bit difficult. But fortunately, after a year, thanks to a partnership between my university and a university in Canada, I was able to do my second year of communication degree in Quebec. It was incredible. The first time I left alone, far from my parents. It was an extraordinary experience, but once again, all good things must come to an end. It's time for me to reunite with my family, so I'm heading to Mauritius because that's where I live now. A few months with them before leaving to finalize my degree. Speaking of studies, I have the possibility with my university to do this last year in learning distance. And I'm sure you've noticed my bad accent, just like my English. So what could be better than immersing myself in an English-speaking family to learn? Because I really need to improve myself, especially for the rest of my studies, because I want to do commerce or entrepreneurship studies with an international focus. So I need to speak very well English. I have two brothers and sisters whom I often looked after, 100 hours of babysitting under my belt, was a ski instructor during my year in Canada, and above all, I love children. And hopefully it's mutual, so what could be better than an hopper? So how about I come over to take care of your children? That's true. P.S. Being truly motivated to perfect my English and explore a new country, I'd like to mention that I have several strings to one's bow. I grew up on a farm in south of France, worked in several restaurants, including that of my parents. I have strong interpersonal skills and feel good in cooking and serving. So if someone who doesn't have children to babysit sees my video and thinks they have a job to offer me, I'm open to consider with the opportunity. Second PS, don't worry about my school. It's about 15 hours of work per week, and I'm perfectly capable of organizing myself thanks to my past experience. So I do my schooling in my free time. Third PS, but I'm promised this time is the last. I'm available quite quickly. July 2024 would be perfect for me. But don't hesitate to send me a message and we talk about it together. Bye!